Well, hello guys and welcome back to the Ebikenut. Today we're going for another mint adventure today, guys. I am so bloody happy and so excited. We're going up to a place called Thrunton Woods. I used to come up here pretty regularly when I was downhill mountain biking 10-15 years ago. This place is absolutely amazing. Any of you mountain bike guys who live around Northumberland, you just need to come up here if you haven't already been. It's basically like if you go on the red route, you're talking 3 mountain passes. Some of them absolutely extreme, guys. Like you talk and carry your bike on your shoulders getting up the mountain faces. I'm not necessarily going on them tracks, or you know what I'm like, I might end up on them, but I'm going to be here today. I'm going to play on the fire tracks, and I'm just going out today, guys, just to go out and have a bit of play. The bike's totally unlocked. I'm running on my tyres, my road tyres, so taking off roading is going to be new and exciting. See if I can come off it, or you know, see what it's going to be like. Really looking forward to this. Forest that we're going to is absolutely enormous. We've got every possibility in the world to get lost. Like I say, I came up here but it's 10-15 years ago, guys, so, and this place is absolutely massive, but really looking forward to it. I'm a little bit nervous maybe because I'm worried in case I break down, because I'm in the middle of absolute nowhere at the minute. We're driving the van obviously to go to this forest, but if I break down over here, guys, I am in serious trouble. So fingers crossed we don't break down and we're going to have just a mint day out. Woohoo! Come on, son! Well, hello guys and welcome back to the Ebikenut. Oh man, this is class. Well, I said the other day, just go out and have some fun. No more messing about, just go and love it. I absolutely bloody love it. Oh man, feels nice to be back up here actually. Oh, it's been so long. The back wheel feels a bit sketchy. We're turning here. Oh, how cool does this look, please, guys? Said I was going to stay on the fire tracks, but you know what I'm like. I like the technical. Come on! Over the tree roots! Come on! I'm just touching the throttle here, guys. It's bloody lethal. Woohoo! Come on! It's never ended. Holy shit, I'm pleased I don't have to pedal up this. Mint. Where's the path going? Oh, it looks a bit overgrown. Oh, I think I'm lost already. And I've got no idea where the bloody hell we going here. Oh shit. That looks a bit naughty. What do you reckon, guys? Oh. I don't know if I can get down here, like, holy shit. Even if I can I get back out? I'm down here on my own, you know, fellas. This place is crazy, like, can't even get down here. I'm not too sure. I think I'm going to end up pushing, getting stuck. I'm already completely lost. This isn't a mountain bike, but it's bloody not. It's a heavy e-bike. You see a massive drop, that's my issue. Turn around, whoa, so you can see what the bloody hell I'm talking about. Unreal for a mountain bike though. Hope you can see it all right there. Oh, fantastic. Oh, oh shit. Oh, that was a bit up and rough. Oh, and the path doesn't look like it's getting any better anytime soon. Oh, what a frickin' place. But it feels like, I don't know, it feels like I'm out on my motorbike today. Oh,
Oh, go on, get up the fire track. I'm just in another downhill track there, but nah, come on, son. Get up this bloody hill. Way, come on. Oh, shit, man. The wheelies going up the freaking hill. Yeah, baby. The bike is just so freaking perfect on this around here. Oh, you can get the throttle opened up. You get a grip on it. Feel safe and secure under you. I've no idea where the bloody hell we are. This bike is coming into its absolute own up here. I've never rode it in a place where it suits more better. Now we're off the narrow tracks, on the fire tracks over the rocks. Oh, absolutely perfect. Looks like we're going into the wilderness here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's just see where we're at a minute. Wow. What a place, guys. What an absolute mint place.
Well, a few of you guys have been asking us to show you the bike after I put the wheels on, so let's stop a minute, give you an idea of what it looks like now.
Woohoo! Do not touch the throttle. Oh, the bike's turned on. Oh, woohoo! There you go, guys. Oh, fantastic. The bike's doing wheelies up the hill again. Come on! Woohoo! The throttle opened up. Woohoo! Come on, big lad! Oh, yes! That doesn't ride it with one hand. The bike's just trying to rip. I can see it's falling off going up here. There you go, guys. I nearly fell off again. Shit! Jesus Christ, guys, you need to hold on to this thing. But what a way to ride up. I've never rode up a hill. With one hand. Oh, shit. Hey, that's enough of that, guys. Whoa, proper jump. I should have had the camera lower down there. Oh, fantastic, man. What a way. You know, just what a way to go and spend your days off, isn't it? You work all week. You work hard, no doubt. Well, I know I do. And on the weekends, you come out and you play. It's raining. Out in the middle of absolute nowhere. Oh, shit, I should watch it. Where I'm going. Oh, shit. Whoa. Freaking heck. I think it's got a little bit out of control there. You take your eyes off the road for 1 minute. Thank God I've got big suspension and thank God my bike handled it. Where the frickin' heck are we going? Oh my God. I think it's 100% official. I am lost. How freaking good is this place? Completely lost. A massive forest. On my bike. Yeah. Gotta love life, guys. If you haven't already gotten one, go and get one of these bikes, man. Telling you, any power. I was asked the other day, they were saying you know, which kind of e-bikes do you like? Do you only like the fancy ones? Guys, I like any e-bike. Absolutely any. If you've made it out of wood, I love it. Yeah, they said these tyres were on off-road. Maybe it's alright for trails, but I don't think they would build for coming across the bloody moors. But we're getting there, guys. Come on, we're getting there. Be optimistic. We can get off this mountain. Wish you could see it, guys, man. I'm fighting with it. It's snaking. It's being a bit naughty. Straight through the bog. Oh, come on, son. Yeah, straight through the bog. What a place to come there and visit, though, man. Should we go this way? Maybe we should go this way. I think we came down that way, so it was this way. It's going. Oh, look at this, man. Yeah, hey, we're back on a fire track, fellas. Oh. Woohoo! Whoa. No, it's weird. Some people's like, oh, why haven't you got speedo? I'm surprised you haven't got speedo on your bike. Well, I have, guys. Oh, and The reason it's not very often on my handlebars isn't necessarily because I'm doing something wrong. It's more so because I never get a chance to bloody look at it. Oh, come on, son. Oh, standing up for it. Keep it going, keep it going. What an experience. I'm blasting around the mountain on my bloody home build. Oh, keep the throttle on, in and out the dips. Oh, and it's freaking mint, man. I mean, you can't have this much fun. Oh, whoa, without being totally illegal on an enduro bike. Oh, you know, you don't get a mountain biking like, guys. Things like this. Mountain biking's mint. Love it. There's some awesome tracks around here as well. If I haven't already told you, just as I pulled up, I was talking to one of the track builders. Oh, what a mint place. Don't know where we're going, but we'll go this way. Come on, we're going to go this way. Come on, get the throttle wide open. Here we go. Flat out speed, guys. Flat out. Nearly flat out. Come on. Just off the throttle. Oh, lost me nuts a little bit. Oh, it's all roggy. Come on, flat out. Nah, I'm not going to get it flat out. I'm going to have to slow down. Oh, it's getting a bit dangerous. Some people there though, so we'll go this way. Right now, this looks like one of the downhill tracks. Somewhere in there. Should we go down a downhill track? Oh, we'll go down here first and just have a little digs. See what the crack is. Yes, I don't know if you noticed what my flat out speed was there, guys. I'm not too sure. Oh, what's going on here? Well, I can't leave. I suppose I can't go back without trying it. Oh, a wet downhill track out. Here you go, guys. If you fancy an electric bike, you think it's only just good for speed, blasting around the mountain. Oh shit. What about riding one? Extreme places like this. And now, this is a versatile bike. I say it's not just for looks. And I mean, it's not just for looks. It's a bit naughty around here though. Oh, you gotta remember how heavy this bike is. Oh, and my tyres, I guess, not ideally built for this. So you'll have to forgive us. But it's doing fine. Oh, my brakes are working perfect. Oh, it looks like we've got a bit of a drop going on here. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Should have went on the wussy route, but there we go. It's a bit freaking late now. What do you think? I'll do this drop and then I'll turn off down there. I've got a big tree there. It's not looking good. Oh, yeah, but we made it. Oh, proper downhill, and never thought I'd be coming around tracks like this. When I said I was a bit unsure about Thrunton Woods, guys, this is what I was talking about. Oh, don't get this wrong, I'm sure. Oh, shit. And some of you guys absolutely nail me around here. So you know, speed test round. What an endurance. Oh, again, could you get a... Oh, shit. Oh, could you get a motorbike around here? I'm thinking not. Oh, a bit sketchy. Oh, woohoo! Shit! Ah, yes, baby. Yes, baby. Woohoo! We made it down the downhill track in Thrunton Woods. We did it. Come on, guys. Give us a like for that. Go on press the button and see. Do you know where it is? That guy is absolutely nuts. I'm going to give him a like. Holy shit. That was freaking awesome. And my bike's still alright. It's in the rain. We've just done a mega downhill course on the electric bike. I am proud of myself. Proud of the bike. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Oh, this thing is not just my toy, it's my absolute pride and joy. I'm so bloody pleased with it. It's been an absolute epic adventure. Unreal day out. Playing around on the fire tracks, getting lost. Still haven't got a clue where we're going. Just hoping we'll find a car park or a road. I guess we'll Google it from there. Whoa, come on son! We'll find out where we are. Oh, legs out for this one. A bit sketchy. Right, here's another track. Are we going in over or out over? This is the question. Which way are we going? I think we need to go this way. We'll go and have a look. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Again guys, thanks for watching. Oh, keep an eye on that speedo. Oh, there's more people. Please like and subscribe. And I'll see you next week. Woo. So guys, I've just pulled back up after an epic day out. Just going to show you the bike. It's been working absolutely perfect. Literally just pulled up next to the van and look what I've done guys. Oh dearie me. Ripped the wires out of the bloody motor. Looks like we've got some major work coming up. Please like and subscribe and I'll see you next week.